how to build a 3x2 piston door. I mean, no, key lock. Oh my god, whatever. And a 3x3. So let's start. Let's start with the two. It's actually really easy. That's how to do all these things. You're gonna first you're gonna make this 7x4, 7 blocks long and 4 blocks tall. And play, so at the top is put it here. And gonna place these 6 blocks, 6 levers, and you're gonna put 3 torches to be exact. You could make this thing. It's redstone. Look at that. Look at that. That's the thing. This is a 3x3 created by myself. So you're gonna make this same thing, but with one more layer. So let's see if it works. It all works. It doesn't even work with the wrong password. Look at that. It doesn't work with the wrong. Okay, I guess it does. Let's see what's happening. Oh wait. Okay, so you can. Okay, it's not that. And so look at that. It's working. Not really, actually. Actually, not really. You can also make a 4x4. But we can. I'm also gonna try to do a 4. That was only 3. So let's place it. So there you go. Now you have 4 keys. Okay, there you go. Door. Also put a door here as well. Whoa, let's go. We're finished. You can make a 4 keypad door now. Now, there you go. Now if I click these buttons, it will open. That's it for this video. It's actually really not that hard. It's just a few pieces of redstone. So not really that hard. Didn't even do 5 block thing. Boom. Oh. Look at that, that was so good. So I was just wrong earlier, so I made it correct. And that's it for this video.